feel me? To all the women across the world, we can't dish y'all. We gotta love you. That's real. To all my ladies in lingerie, never underage, who stay getting paid, who like to take trips where the sun is shade. To my women who love to ball out and spend all that money till you're all out. I feel like a pimp with a different pimp game, with a different pimp name, with a little pimp fame. I'm loaded with cash, loaded with class, loaded with a lot of things, even got a gat loaded for that ass. I love my mind, love my soul, love my body. I don't drink or smoke, that's why I love my body. You might catch me chillin' with a little short hottie, with a little piercing on her body. Yes, I get it poppin', especially overseas. Japanese girls even love my beat. They say, Timberland, we love you. We love the dope things that you do. Even in London, they say, Tim, we love ya. They even call me things like Wicked and the effing governor. That's why I can't forget y'all. That's why I had to make this roll call.
This here for one and all. It's so good to feel all of y'all. Make that move and just ball out. Life's too short for some time out. This here for one and all. It's so good to feel all of y'all. Make that move and just ball out. Life's too short for some time out.
Back when Sade cherished the day, yo time was frequently saved. Bus stopping and whiskey popping to the Marvin and Gaye.
Sonny, don't plan tomorrow, but live for the day. Sonny, here's a quarter for that groovy arcade.
From Cool J to K.